Do you hit the snooze button multiple times, dreading the moment you have to drag yourself out of bed? Feeling exhausted, even after what feels like a full night, sleep isn't just frustrating. It's often a sign that something deeper might be off balance within your body. It's incredibly common, but it's definitely not normal. Stay tuned, because in this video, we're diving deep into the hidden reasons why you wake up tired, and, more importantly, what you can actually start doing about it today. Think of your body like a complex factory. During the day, it's buzzing with activity. At night, a dedicated crew comes in for essential maintenance, cleanup, and repair. If that nighttime crew can't do its job properly, if your sleep isn't truly restorative, you wake up to a factory floor that's still cluttered and unprepared for the day ahead. This feeling of fatigue is your body signaling that these crucial overnight processes are being disrupted. Let's explore the key culprits. First up, chronic inflammation. We're not talking about the acute inflammation you get with an injury. This is a low-grade, persistent inflammation often fueled by our modern lifestyle, especially diet. Foods high in processed ingredients, refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and even excessive alcohol can trigger the release of inflammatory messengers, like cytokines, throughout your body. These messengers interfere with cellular repair mechanisms that are supposed to happen while you sleep, disrupting energy metabolism and leaving you feeling drained instead of refreshed. Next, let's talk about oxidative stress. This happens when there's an imbalance between damaging molecules called free radicals and the antioxidants that neutralize them. Poor diet, exposure to environmental toxins, chronic stress, and even poor sleep itself can increase free radical production. This oxidative stress takes a heavy toll on your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses inside your cells responsible for generating energy. Damaged mitochondria simply can't produce energy efficiently, leading directly to that feeling of profound fatigue. Loading up on antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and colorful vegetables can help combat this. Hormonal imbalances are another major player. Cortisol, often called the stress hormone, is naturally highest in the morning to help you wake up and lowest at night to allow you to sleep. But chronic stress, whether it's mental pressure or physical stress from inflammation or illness, can disrupt this rhythm. High cortisol levels at night can make it hard to fall asleep and stay asleep, wrecking sleep quality. Then there's melatonin, the sleep hormone. Its production can be hampered by factors like exposure to blue light from screens before bed, chronic inflammation, and even certain nutrient deficiencies. Other hormones, like thyroid hormones and insulin, also play critical roles in energy regulation, and imbalances here can contribute significantly to fatigue. And don't underestimate the power of your gut. There's a strong connection between your gut health and your overall energy levels, often called the gut-brain axis. An unhealthy diet and chronic stress can damage the lining of your intestines, leading to a condition sometimes called leaky gut or increased intestinal permeability. This allows particles to enter the bloodstream that shouldn't, triggering systemic inflammation. It also impairs your body's ability to absorb essential nutrients needed for energy production and can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome. The trillions of bacteria influencing everything from mood to immunity and, yes, energy. A compromised gut can also affect the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which not only impacts mood but is also a precursor to melatonin. Beyond these internal factors, don't forget the fundamentals of sleep quality itself. Are you practicing good sleep hygiene? This means having a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Ensuring your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Avoiding caffeine and alcohol close to bedtime. And establishing a relaxing wind-down routine. Also, be aware that underlying sleep disorders like sleep apnea or restless leg syndrome can severely disrupt sleep and cause daytime fatigue, often requiring medical evaluation. So, what can you do? The good news is you have significant control. Shift your diet. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Think colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats like avocados and olive oil, and plenty of fiber. Stay hydrated. Manage stress. Incorporate stress-reducing practices into your day. This could be mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or simply spending time in nature. Move your body. Regular, moderate exercise is fantastic for improving sleep, balancing hormones, reducing stress, and boosting mitochondrial function. Just try to avoid intense workouts too close to bedtime. Optimize your sleep. Prioritize that consistent schedule. Create a restful bedroom environment and limit screen time before bed. Support your gut. Include probiotic-rich foods like yogurt or kefir, if tolerated, and prebiotic fibers from sources like onions, garlic, and bananas. Consider a checkup. If fatigue persists despite lifestyle changes, talk to your doctor to rule out underlying medical conditions or nutrient deficiencies like low iron, vitamin B12, or vitamin D. Feeling exhausted when you wake up doesn't have to be your default state. By systematically addressing inflammation, managing oxidative stress, supporting hormonal balance, nurturing your gut health, and optimizing your sleep habits, you can reclaim your morning energy and vitality. Start small. Pick just one area to focus on improving this week. Remember, building healthier habits is a journey, not an overnight fix. Be patient and consistent with yourself. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about boosting your health and energy, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future content. And if you know someone who's always complaining about being tired, share this video with them. When you engage, it tells YouTube that this content is valuable and helps it reach more people who could benefit. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.